Hello, my name is Andres Gonzalez Gomez, and I am pleased to present this scientific research project titled Emotional Impact of Chromatic Manipulation in Cinematic Content. This study explores how altering the color palette of animated film scenes influences viewers' emotional and physiological responses. Color is a powerful tool in storytelling, yet its emotional effect in cinema is not fully understood. So we asked, what changes when we modify the color presentation of a film? Can we measure its emotional impact? This project makes two main contributions. First, it reveals sex-based differences in emotional reactivity, an aspect rarely studied in film-focused affective computing. Second, we propose a new engagement index combining facial expressivity and blink suppression to track emotional intensity. We recruited 30 participants, divided them into three groups. Each group watched the same scene in one of three conditions: original color, black and white, or a chromatically altered version. We used DSR sensors, blink tracking, and haptics facial analysis to collect measurable emotional data in a controlled setting. We standardized the environment, seeing lighting, sound, and temperature, and used precise tools like Shimmer GSR sensor and haptic software. This helped ensure the physiological and expressive data were both reliable and analytically correct. One key contribution is methodological, combining biometric data with experimental control. We used repeated measures, ANOVA and Tukey's test to identify significant emotion changes across conditions. To analyze our data, we used repeated measures ANOVA with the equation y sub ij equals mu plus alpha j plus epsilon ij. Y sub ij represents the emotional response, such as blink rate or GSR peaks. Mu is the overall mean, alpha is the effect of the condition, and epsilon is the error. We then applied Tukey's test to compare conditions. These tables show how responses varied by sex and visual conditions. For example, blink counts and GSR peaks, helping us quantify emotional engagement. Here, we see more average data metrics like positive balance, negative balance, and blink frequency. This allowed us to see which color treatments evoke stronger emotional reactions. Key findings: women showed significantly more blinks and higher GSR peaks than men, especially in the modified color condition. Grayscale led to flattened responses, while color enhanced scenes amplified emotions depending on the context. Chromatic manipulation didn't increase the engagement for everyone, but it did affect each sex differently. Our engagement index helped identify emotionally intense scenes using blink and facial data. In conclusion, this study shows the value of biometric tools in media research and highlights how sex differences matter when designing emotionally impactful content. Thank you for watching.